What's up, everybody? I'm Danny DeVries, and today I'm joined with Matt Barker here with DiabloSport. Matt, this 2016 Ram, you guys got the Reaper Stage 1 kit. Walk me through that. What is that all about?
Well, the Reaper is really a combination of two high-performance products. We got the Trinity or the Intune on-dash programmer or the handheld Intune paired with the Jammer cold air intake. The purpose of this is, many people go to modify their vehicle, and a lot of the common upgrades they do is intake and tuner. So what we did is really paired the kit together, and then we include a custom tuned file just for this intake on this truck. So for example, the Trinity or the Intune right out of the box makes about 33 horsepower to the tires on this truck over stock. You add in the Jammer intake and the Jammer intake tune, it's about 58 horsepower. So 25 more horsepower to the tires by combining these two upgrades together.
That's awesome. Hey guys, if you guys want to know more about the Reaper Stage 1 kit from DiabloSport, check them out and find out which one's right for you. Go to DiabloSport.com.